my YouTube channel. As promised on my Instagram stories, I'm gonna show you my date ready go-to look. This look you can only do in like almost 8 or 10 minutes. It's gonna be a very quick tutorial, so make sure you have your eyes all on me. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. I have already moisturized my skin. I moisturize a lot. Even it's summers, winter, spring, whatever the fuck it is, I'm gonna moisturize a lot. So let's start how I've done it. The first product I have used is this toner from Face Shop. This is the product. Then this is the serum I use. This is called Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. This is it. Then moisturization is my favorite, Clinique 24/7 Moisture Surge. This is my favorite. I've been using it since I don't even know, I was very young. Okay, I forgot. Essence I mixed with my moisturizer. So this one and this one. I mix both of them depending upon the weather. I mix it and then apply it on my skin. Then I put sunscreen. I put a lot of sunscreen. I mixed 2 sunscreen. Both of them are SPF 50. These are my favorites. And this one because it's like gel base, and this one is the cream base. So I mixed both of them and applied on my skin. I've already done it. This is basically my moisturizing process, and now I'm going to show you how I'm going to do my makeup. So let's get into the makeup. First thing first, a lot of people prime their face. I do not prime my face. My face is well to go because I go to my doctor and she does it well. So I do not prime my face. Again, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not a professionalist. I do my makeup like this. So if you want to copy it, it's all on yourself, not on me. I do my makeup like this. So first thing I'm going to use is Skin Tone Foundation. I have 3 favorites. This one is from Kiko. This is the oldest one. I bought it from Amsterdam. I think this is discontinued again. This is from Clinique Beyond Perfecting, and then the other one I have is MAC. So these 3 are my favorite foundation. I use them depending upon the color I have because I get tanned very easily. But right now my foundation shade matches with this one, so I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna take. Guys, I'm serious. I hardly apply makeup on my face. I do not. For my photo shoots, for this and that, I avoid it. Anyways, what you can do is if you have a dry skin, what you can do. I do not have a dry skin, so I'm not gonna apply oil. But let's put a highlighting base because we're going on a date. Anyway, so this is called the Rose Gold, the Beauty Co. It's from the Beauty Co. Rose Gold oil. Just take very small pump of it. 1 drop does it well. You mix it like this. You're gonna put like, always remember, आप कम फाउंडेशन लगा के उसको बढ़ा सकते हो, लेकिन आप ज़्यादा लगा के उसे कम नहीं कर सकते हो. I like my foundation matching to my skin tone only. I don't apply that much of makeup because I don't like that much of makeup. It's my personal choice. Many people love makeup, but I don't. Then this is this sponge. People dab it because my skin is really oily. I do not dab it. So yeah, about that. So I'm normally dab it on my face like this. Guys, my makeup is very natural go-to. I don't apply that much of foundation, concealer, this and that. I keep it very natural as much as I can. Your neck is an essential part of your face. So whenever you're putting foundation on your face, make sure you put it on your neck also. And कुछ लोगों के face और neck अलग-अलग दिखते हैं. So guys, this is how my face looks with the foundation on my face. My trick is that I keep my foundation the tone equal to my natural tone. I don't like lot of loud makeup. I keep it very natural. Because I like my makeup natural, but natural लगने के लिए makeup लगाना पड़ता. That's what they say. Anyway, so next is my concealer. This foundation basically is expensive, but the best part about this foundation is that it has concealer in it. So foundation plus concealer, it is discontinued by Clinique, but it's not expired yet, so I'm gonna use every bit of it. I'm gonna mix this one and this. So I think every girl owns it. Maybelline concealer Fit Me. I think this is like, I have one product I like of Maybelline is only this. I do not use Maybelline at all. So I'm gonna put my concealer like this. You can conceal all your spots or whatever you have. Guys, I do not have lipstick on my face, like the lips. The thing is that Sephora's tint is more than enough. It's like a balm, it's like a lipstick, it's like a gloss, it's everything. So I think you should do. So, lot of girls bake their face. I don't bake my face because I do not apply a lot of makeup. But again, if you want to bake your face, there's a trick you can do after setting your face. So now I applied foundation and concealer. I have to definitely set it because I didn't apply primer, if you have noticed. So I'm gonna take my MAC Fit Me. I think everybody has this. Fit Me, MAC Fit Me. Anyways, I'm just apply it on my under eye, under my under eye. And I fix it. Less powder, okay? पहले powder कम लगाओ, उसके बाद अगर ज़्यादा हो रहा है, कम हो रहा है तो आप ज़्यादा कर सकते हो. अगर कम है तो ज़्यादा है तो कम नहीं कर पाओगे. Okay, then you have to do your makeup again. So that's it. And girls, please be comfortable with your skin color. There is no need to look like fairer, black, darker, whatever the fuck it is, own it, bro. Anyways, this is it. This is how my face look after setting my face. Now, amazing contouring palette. This was gifted to me by one of my makeup artists, and I've owned this since last 1 year, but COVID tha, so I couldn't use it. It's a very good baking product. जब तक ये बेक होगा हम थोड़ा आगे बढ़े. हाँ, the brush I use is Real Techniques contour blush. Anyways, थोड़ा सा bronzer करते हैं. I'll show you my bronzer also. This one तो you know. इसमें दोनों है. Like the baking powder also is there, and bronzer is also there. So बहुत ही कम लेना, ठीक है. So also I forgot to tell you that one of my favorite bronzer is from NYX. So this is called Baked Blush Bronzer. We can use it in both the ways. Like you can use it as a blush also, you can use it as a bronzer also. So now when you have baked your face, we'll go to the eyeshadow. Let it bake. Keep it on your face for a while. And let's go to the eyeshadow. I have only Huda Beauty. I like Huda Beauty. So I'm gonna use this one. This is called Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette. Okay, so I put eyes पर. Now I'm gonna go back. So my one more trick is, this is called Liquid Radiant Eyeshadow, but I use it in my eyelids. So I'm gonna put it on my eyelids. और इससे बहुत अच्छा सा glittery सा look आता है, and you look little awake. For the brows, I used Browsing eyeshadow. Browsing eyebrows. Sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna fill my brows. So now I'm gonna fix the baking powder and the contouring. I'm gonna use only one brush. So this is how. So guys, lot of your makeup depends upon your skin. अगर आपकी skin बहुत smooth है तो makeup में ज़्यादा problem नहीं होती है. People use 100 चीज़ें, but I only use one चीज़ and fix it all because यार ये candy floss था, इसका ऊपर का उड़ गया है. But this is my favorite, though I have a lot of. But what I do day to day is that I apply sunscreen and I put blush on, and that's it. इतना भी मतलब I've seen girls putting a lot of blush. Like that's not me. Like I don't put a lot of blush and all that because I have this one also. This one सब छूटा होगा मेरे पास क्योंकि मैं अपना सिर्फ makeup Friday. Till then, adios amigos.